Welcome to Internet Marketing Academy. Learn internet marketing and grow your business with KOKOSHUNGSAN. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell for the latest updates. If you like it, please like, share it, and leave comments. Thanks for your support and for helping us make the world a better place. 101 Facebook Tips. Introduction. Facebook is a great platform for meeting friends, creating a following for your hobby, service, or project, and for relaxing. There's an app for every taste, and several of them are incredibly fun and addictive. These 101 tips will get you navigating Facebook like a pro in no time. Part 1. Finding friends and influencing people. Depending on why you join Facebook, you may find it easy to make friends, or may only have it to stay in touch with friends in distant parts of the world. No matter what you do, signing up can be a process that will take up to a couple of hours, including your profile. Signing up your own name. 1. You should use your own name or your nickname if people use it more commonly, to sign up. It's important to ensure that your friends, family and colleagues can find you easily. Your email. 2. Facebook sends out a lot of notifications once you start signing up with various groups and fan pages, apps and even comments. But people can also find you by your email, so you should probably use a personal email account. Check it frequently for friend requests and more. It has to be real though, because Facebook uses it and sometimes your mobile number to verify who you are. Read the terms and conditions. 3. You should always read the terms and conditions on any site, and Facebook is no exception, though it should be noted that Facebook frequently updates its TOS, causing a lot of outrage in the community. Know where your rights are and read their documentation. Search your email. 4. In some cases when you sign up for Facebook, especially if you use a free email system such as Hotmail or Gmail, Facebook can search your email addresses and see if anyone in your address book is already on Facebook. Profile information. School, university, company. 5. The first piece of profile information Facebook asks for is your school, leaving year, university, leaving year, and company. This starts the first basic groups links, so you can find alumni and colleagues from work. If you don't want to find anyone there, leave it empty and click skip. Profile information. Picture. 6. Your photo or avatar doesn't need to be of you, but it's usually a good idea to use a shot of yourself, so that people that aren't sure they've found you can add you. Many people change their profile photos weekly though, so you can use just about any image you hold copyright to. Click link below to learn more.